Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Suzuki GW250F. This is the full fairing version of the twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, lightweight sport bike. Beautiful metallic sparkle black. Only 838 miles on this gorgeous GW250. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $23.99. This bike is priced to sell quickly. Don't wait. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.